Welcome to Bristol Fleet. In this video, we will show you how to export your freight data as CSV, JSON, or Excel files for use in spreadsheets and reports. In the Freight Table toolbar, you will find the Export button. This lets you download the freight data in several formats. Click the Export button to see the available format options. You can export as CSV, JSON, or Excel. CSV is the most common choice for importing into spreadsheet applications. You can also export a filtered subset of your data. First, use the search box to narrow down the results. The table now shows only the matching items. When you export, only these filtered results will be included in the download. Click the Export button again and select your desired format. The downloaded file will contain only the currently visible filtered data. That covers exporting freight data in Bristol Fleet. Use CSV or Excel exports to create custom reports, share data with partners, or keep offline records of your freight inventory.